Camping holidays with the family can be amazing, but let's be honest, they can also be a bit chaotic. So I've got some tried and tested tips for you to use to keep those kids entertained, the stress levels down. Come this way. Every camping holiday starts in the car. Don't forget, small games, card games, books. Keep those kids entertained on your drive down. When you get to the campsite, there's loads of things you can do. Hide and seek, scavenger hunts, or even just a little bit of camping bingo. Rainy days, card games, colouring books, travel board games, they're all possibilities. And if the weather's like it is today, football, swing tennis, there's absolutely loads of games you can take to keep those kids entertained and keep those stress levels down. So staying organised in your tent can keep your camping holiday running smoothly. Zone out the space. Find your kitchen area and locate that and put everything there. Find your kids' play zone, locate all the toys there. Utilise the space that you don't realise is a storage space. Under the bed from the kids, storage space. In the pockets in between the rooms, storage space. Putting those items there keeps the kids zone free and keeps the mums and dads happy. And finally, camping equipment. Having the right size kit for the kids will help them feel more a part of the holiday and help them engage more and play more and entertain themselves. So be it a camp bed, a kid's chair, blankets, toys, games, storage chests, it's all available at Go Outdoors. So there you have it. Some simple but easy and effective tips for keeping your kids entertained on their camping holiday. If you have your own hack, drop it in the comments below for everybody to see. Give us a like and subscribe for more camping tips.